If you want to scan a document on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we can open our camera app. Now we should be able to simply point at the document in the photo mode, and you can get this prompt that allows you to scan documents quite easily. Now over here, we can just point at the document, wait for these pages to be scanned. Try to keep your phone still, of course. And there we go. We have our page. You can of course keep going to the next page and next one until these documents are scanned. You can also deactivate the auto scan by tapping on this middle button. There we go. And if you want to, you can use the shutter button in here if you want to simply capture the photo of the page immediately, and you can re-enable automatic scan by using this middle button again. Once you are done with all your pages, you can actually tap on these pages in order to customize them in case there is something that you need to do with them. And once you're ready, just tap on the next over here. And there we go. We have our scanned document, which we can save on our Google Drive account, or we can just simply download it onto our phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.